So the first investment that life insurance, mortgage brokers and financial advisors should make is an investment in yourself, an investment in your education. Because when you do that and you commit and you pay for something, whether that's a course, whether that's mentorship, whether it's a community like mine, you pay for education. When you pay for something, you pay attention to it. Doing free stuff on YouTube, you don't pay enough attention to it. When you pay attention. So you pay attention when you invest in your education. You learn something, yeah? You learn how to invest. You learn how to sell more, how to drive more leads in, how to sell more, how to get some of that commission and invest it in property. What then happens is your focus shifts because you paid for something, you've educated yourself, you improved yourself, and you start to invest into property. And then what happens is it becomes a bit of an addiction, certainly did for me, because the more I educate myself, the more new skills I learn, typically the more that I do. Now I'm obsessed with learning, from marketing to sales techniques to property to various different types of sales techniques in property investing, in wealth creation. I'm obsessed with it and I love it, and I do courses and I've got mentors. It becomes an addiction, but it's a pretty healthy addiction because I'm progressing more in my life and I'm earning more money and I'm getting to where I want to be. So the first investment you should make, if you haven't already, is to educate yourself. My community is pennies. It's pennies a month for what you actually get. The value is huge in comparison to the price. Multiple training sessions a week, video library, huge community of the top brokers in the country that are sharing how to get more leads, how to sell more, and how to invest your money. And you're going to get yourself around winners. You're going to educate yourself for very little cost. It reduces the amount of mistakes that you'll make because you can learn from other people's mistakes, and it increases the likelihood of you making the next move that you make, the next property that you buy, the next deal that you do will be the right one. It's all covered in the community. 7-day free trial, nothing to lose. I'll see you there.